starting to take shape. It's already rising up into the sky. You can see the entire process of how it goes up. If you've got your
Morning, guys.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're back now at the 21st Philippine International Balloon Festival. We're back. It's afternoon right now, or evening, getting ready for the sun to go down. As you've seen in the video, we were here early, first thing this morning. Woke up at 3 o'clock, picked Sez and Lynn up from, or Seth and Lynn from Sez Style, and came very early. We were into gates here by 4 a.m. Had basically a front row seat, watched the sunrise, and I'm gonna get hit by a car here. Watch the sunrise, watch them inflate the balloons, and watch them take off. But yeah, we checked it out this morning, as you guys can see on the film in the video, and we left probably around 9 this morning. It seems like a lot of people left to avoid the heat for the day. So now we're back, and we're going to check out the evening festivities here. But yeah, it's something to see. I'd say there was probably close to 20 plus balloons this morning that took off. Some didn't actually make it up, but they did inflate, and it was cool to see. So we're back, and that's what's going on, guys. Alright guys, that about wraps it up. I'm going to call tonight. We're going to head home. We had a great time today at the 21st Philippine International Balloon Festival here in Clark. What a great time. That's about it. Bye-bye guys.
Good evening everyone, and let's see what we can do. We have a couple more minutes before the sun shuts down on us.